Hi guys, good morning. Hi, I'm now here at Aquamarine Hotel in Lipa, Batangas, and we now have a unlimited breakfast. Okay guys, come join me. Yeah, it's okay, Aurelio's. I'm now here at Aurelio's restaurant. We're having a buffet breakfast. Yeah, so ito po. We have a garlic rice, so egg, sunny side up, longganisa. Longganisa ba ito? Yan, longganisa ba ito? Yeah, sa longganisa, yan. And then, ito, we have a pansit. Yan, biscuit pansit. Okay, and then, tinapa. Okay. And then, they have a champurrado, guys. O, di ba? Ang sarap. And ito, they have pancakes. Little pancakes. Yan. So, they have also drinks. Yan. Drinks and then coffee. Yeah. So, guys, and they have also what is it? Ito, mga fresh fruits. Yeah. They also have fresh fruits. Yeah. And then salad. Okay. So, yan guys. So, thank you. Okay. Yan. Yan ang kanilang logo. This kitchen is seasoned with love. O, diba? Okay. Natin ang logo nila. This kitchen is seasoned with love. Yan. Yan, guys. And guys, I'm now here with my co-retired. Hi, guys. Kayo, guys. Hi. Hi. Yan. I'm doing a vlog, guys. Yes. Yan. Yes. Yan, guys. Hi, sis. Yeah, my beautiful sister and my beautiful mate. Yeah, we're now here at Aurelio's restaurant in Aquamarine Hotel in Lipa, Batangas. And this is love. I really love this. This kitchen is seasoned with love. Love, love, love. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Mwah!